Hey, what's up YouTube? Welcome back to my channel. I'm TechnoTrend, and in today's video I'm going to be showing you guys how to work your Snapchat. There are many features that comes with Snapchat, which do include messaging, FaceTime calling, adding pictures to your stories, and sliding into those DMs. Those are some of the features on Snapchat right now, and I will be showing you guys what streaks are, how to get your points up, the ranking system, streaks in general, your story pages, and Snapchat story pages. So I'll be going over these top picks, so if you guys would like to stay tuned throughout the video, that would be awesome. Make sure to go ahead and check out TechScum. This is a shout out straight for that channel. If you guys love juicy drama and love to watch people get exposed, go ahead and check them out. They're a really cool channel that I'm working with. It's really amazing, guys. Hope you guys do check it out. Link in the description. As well as check out our Discord. Now the Discord, we do have a TechScum Discord, which is also in the description. So if you want to talk to some famous YouTubers, go ahead, go inside. We're all chill, we're all cool. Even if you're a small YouTuber, even if you're not a YouTuber at all, we still accept everyone. Alright guys, thank you for listening to these quick announcements. Hope you guys do enjoy the video. So basically guys, you have tons of stuff in Snapchat. Now these are amazing features that you guys should go ahead and check out. So once you go inside the Snapchat app, you will be greeted with an option to take a picture or video. All you have to do is hold down for video, and all you have to do is tap to take a picture. This is very easy and simple for you noobs out there. Shouldn't be too hard. Also, they have really good wiki pages to go check out about Snapchat and how to get your streaks up. So we're gonna go head into our chat. Now this is a place where people can go ahead and chat you. Now if you want to chat someone or one of your friends, click the add chat and you can go ahead and add someone else. So once you're here, you can go ahead and follow me if you guys want, right there on the screen. Go ahead and check that out. Brand, as you know, it's my newest channel. Also, it has features to add friends. Now if you do want to add friends, you can add them by number, you can add them by location, you can add them by Wi-Fi. They have plenty of options for you guys. So if you click add friends, you can add them by nearby, which is actually a really cool feature. Username just by contact or their snap code. Now if you guys don't know what a snap code is, the snap code is the little yellow thing that has dots on it. Now basically what that is if someone snaps it, they take a picture of it like this on their phone, they will be able to get your username, and simply like that. So it's a really cool feature about Snapchat. Now your point system. Now the points you see here, mine are 41,000. That's because I post on my story a lot, so I could just post on my story. And also I have plenty of streaks. Now if you guys don't know what streaks are a certain amount of days that you keep sending photos to someone over and over again. So let's say my friend Ava, she wants to send me a photo. She sends me a photo, I send her one back. If you do that for a day, you have a streak. It will say like a number 1 or like a flame as a streak number 1. If you guys keep doing that over and over for a couple of days, you guys start to see a number and it change. So it's a really cool thing about Snapchat. I can tell you how long you guys have been sending pictures. So one of my biggest streaks is Miles Novich right here. You can go ahead, check that out. 112 days we've been sending pictures to each other. Now this is a revolutionary, different type of social media that everyone's into. So if you don't know about it, I'm teaching you about it. Also, once you head into your story, now everyone posts every single day about themselves. They take a picture of themselves coming out of the shower, or take a picture of themselves coming out the car, or taking a picture of the window, something like that, to show where you are or what you're doing on my story. Now all you have to do that is tap to take a photo. Then once you take that photo, it'll ask you who you'd like to send it to. Now all you have to do to send that photo is click the little blue arrow and send it to who you want, or you can just put it on your story. That is a really cool feature. Also, do not send your streaks to your story. That's extremely annoying if you add your story and your streaks. It's super annoying, guys. Please, for the love of God, do not do that. So the little numbers I have are the streaks, and that gives me points. Now the points do rack up, as you guys can see by my profile picture. It says right there, brand 41,000. You guys can add me or add friends. They have plenty of settings for you guys for account security, privacy, and all that good stuff. Thank you guys for watching this quick tutorial. If you guys have anything to add them in the comments. I will be pinning some cool comments for you guys right there. Also, if I did miss anything of Snapchat, be sure to check that out, because it's an amazing social media. It's very revolutionary. You can also upload links and stuff, so when you take a picture, you swipe up and add a link, so whenever someone else swipes up, they can also click your link. Now that's a really cool thing that I use for YouTube. Alright guys, thank you guys for watching this quick tutorial. Hope you guys did enjoy. Stay subscribed, stay learning. If I did help you, be sure to hit that subscribe button. Alright guys, see you in the next one.